So next up, guys, got a whole group of trucks coming in, same home, so been county owned, guys. So this one here is a 2002 Freightliner FL80. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but it does come with the plows. So you got a Henderson 11-foot plow up front, guys. Got another Henderson wing plow there. It's 8 foot. It does have a Caterpillar 3126, 300 horsepower diesel motor in it. Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual transmission. It does have the super singles up front, heavy front end, rear rubber 11R22.5, looks to be in good shape. Rear pintle hitch there, guys. You have all those pictures with the listing. 10-foot Henderson box. No, but like I said, interior is good and cleaned out. These trucks pretty dang good shape for the vintage. The inside does have heat and AC. So I'm here with one of the yard guys. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. He'll kind of run it through, raise the plows up, raise them, drop them, see all that stuff. We'll run that box. Does have a spreader underneath that box. We'll have pictures of that. The box goes up and down real smooth. Put it up again there for you. Pictures of the underside of that frame and stuff. You know, obviously, been county trucks, guys. They've been around some salt, but actually, the trucks seem to be in pretty good shape. The bodies of the trucks aren't too rusty. They dang sure run nice. County does an awesome job as far as maintenance history and everything like that. Full reverse here. Obviously, kind of right here in the middle of the yard. Won't be able to just give you a ton of demo on it, but these things have been well maintained, single oil changes, and all that stuff. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2002 Freightliner FL80. Obviously, plow truck, set up real nice, real handy, lots of attachments. Everything works nice and smooth. So there's the demo, guys, and I think this truck actually only has 137,000 miles on it, so pretty low mile, pre-emissions truck, a lot of life left. So he's kind of running that side wing for you there. Gonna let him finish that up, but yeah, everything runs nice and smooth, nothing to worry about that way. So good luck, guys. It's auction time and Old 20 Auctions.